Alright, we have got this blender. The problem with the blender is it doesn't blend. So, for example, when I try to switch it on, the blades they do not spin at all. And the reason behind that is that the thing underneath, the rubber underneath, not here, but here has worn out. If you look at it, it's kind of almost flattened out. So I'm just gonna come up with the solution where I can just make it work, and yeah, stay with me. Let's see what I do. Alright, all we need is some resistance to put. We need to put some resistance in there. Okay, so it's not a permanent fix, it's just like a hack and what do you call a workaround. So I'm gonna take this piece of paper, fold it up, and then see what I do. Okay, I need a little help, so can you help me? Alright, so I've got this piece of paper. I'll just bring it up, fold it up, yeah, and all you have to do is just put it right in the middle. Yeah, that's what you need to do. So this piece of paper, just put it right in the middle. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, put the blender on top. Okay, because there's a piece of paper, so you might need to push it a little bit down. Okay, and let's see if it works or not. Bingo. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching.